Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Now that I did not film an intro to my video that I filmed, so this is the intro. Hello. I actually did straighten my hair yesterday. This is leftover hair from, well, I filmed it yesterday. So I don't know when you guys are going to see it, but yes, I filmed yesterday and I straightened my hair. And I actually used the Batiste dry shampoo. This is like my third or fourth time using it. I am obsessed. I love it. Like, you can't tell that my hair is day old hair. Like, it is phenomenal. And it's straightened fine and I'm obsessed, okay? Anyways, to see the makeup look that I created, let's just get into this video. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer and Moisturizer in one. It is my go-to primer. I have glitter on my hands. You guys see that? I don't know where it came from, but okay. I'm going to do 2 pumps. The Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer. And what's out of this actually? Okay. The last primer, which is only going in my T-zone, is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, the purple one. Moving along, I'm going to grab a brush. I actually used this the other day and I really preferred the way that it made my makeup look. I didn't feel cakey or heavy, like it was just nice. And I have 30 more minutes to get ready. So, I'm going to be using my Tarte Rainforest the Sea Water Foundation in the shade Fair Light Neutral. Might be a little too dark for me, but it's okay. I'm actually going to drop it right on the brush. Like so, y'all can see. I'm going to stipple this onto my face. Voila. I'm actually going to put some concealer on my eyelids and my eyelids only. And I'm not going to set my eyelids today, which will be really kind of weird for me. So I'm going to just grab a little bit of concealer. And then just blend it out with the same exact brush. Like so. I'm going to take my powder, wherever it may be. My Stay Matte by Rimmel powder. I'm going to grab a brush, dip the brush in here, and powder my face, leaving my eyelids alone. I'm going to grab my Hoola Light Bronzer. There we go. Apparently I have earrings attached to this, I don't know why. Anyways, just going to dab this in here like so and bronze up my face. I also feel like my powders go on a lot nicer when I use a brush versus a beauty sponge. I like using a sponge, but it doesn't always like me. Okay, like so. I'm going to grab some highlighter before I go with blush. I'm going to grab this Ofra Rodeo Dry Highlighter. It is so pretty. Okay. And then for blush, I'm going to take this Tarte Party blush. Literally, that's what it's called. Party. going to put this on a brush. I got the excess powder from the other time I used this brush. Okay. And I'm going to dip this in here. I forget how much I like this blush. It's neutral, not overly too pink. It may look like it on camera, but it's not in person. It's a really pretty pink color. Okay. Now for my eyeballs, I'm going to curl my eyelashes really quickly. Like so. I'm going to spray my face really quickly with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm using two new products today that I am trying for the first time. I am a distributor, there we go, for Senegence. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but it is an online makeup, skincare, beauty thing. Wow, it's like Mary Kay, but it's called Senegence. So I picked up the mascara. This is the Lash Sense Volume Intense Mascara. This is not waterproof. And I grabbed one of our Shadow Sense eyeshadows. This is called Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. So I'll be using those today. I'm actually going to put my brows in really quick. I'm just going to do some soft brown Something Brown Mascara by Maybelline. This is the Brow Drama. This has been my go-to product for brows. I haven't really been like filling them in with a pencil or anything. This just gives them a little bit of color that maybe the foundation may have like covered up. So that's that. I'm going to grab this, I'm going to put it on my eyelid, pretty color, and take my ring finger and just blend this out. That is such a pretty color. Now it is cream to powder, so it will dry as powder. That is so stinking pretty. All of my friends bought this and I was like, what's the craze? But I totally get it now. So I'm going to take some, I might do some Hula Light, but I'm going to take some bronzer and put it in my inner crease. In my crease. There we go. Just to kind of give my eyeballs some definition. I'm going to actually take the e.l.f. Fiji palette, and a blending brush. Like so. I'm just going to pop this right here. So pretty. And I should take a little bit of a gold color and put it over this color. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to take Hissy Fit right there and put it over this, pretty color. This is the Violet Voss and Laura Lee collaboration. This is like a really old palette. Sometimes if things aren't broken, you should just leave them. Alright, so now to kind of warm this up a little bit. Let's fix this. Alright, so I'm going to grab Britches, which is the shade right here, and pop this into my crease.
Hey babe, is this your Gatorade?
Yep.
Thanks.
Yep. Like so. I'm going to take Britches on my lower lash line as well. Like so. Probably a little bit of a darker brown, I think. Do I not? Maybe not. I'm actually going to take one more shade from this palette. I'm going to take Basic and put it on my inner corner as well as my brow bone. Like so. So now I'm going to grab, actually I'm going to spray my face one more time. And yes. Okay. I'm going to grab my mascara. I have to open it first. Urgh. This is some sturdy packaging, I have to freaking say. Like, no one needs their mascara this secure. But I am not going to argue with them. Okay. So now I'm going to apply my mascara. It's kind of a nice wand. Like, it's kind of thicker towards the top and then kind of slimmer towards the end. I seriously am in love with our mascara. Oh my god. Why have I not tried this sooner? I don't know. But I'm going to fix my nose. I'm going to go and do my hair. And I'm going to leave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe as per usual. And yeah. Bye guys.